Well, hello, my berries. Y'all, it is Friday. I am working from home. And, of course, here at the house, which is the reason God blessed us with this house because of what I said I wanted to do. My sister-in-law always reminds me of that. She's like, remember you said you wanted to be the house that throws the events, so don't complain. So anyway, if you guys haven't seen it, I suggest you guys go ahead and go to the link to, I'll put it up here so you guys can see the celebration we had last weekend for Jordan for his graduation. We had such a good time. So much family and friends that came along to celebrate with us for Jordan getting his bachelor's degree at the Art Institute of Houston. So that was really cool. So this weekend we're going to do something for Father's Day. Juneteenth also is this Sunday. Father's Day is this Sunday. So lots and lots of stuff to celebrate. We're going to celebrate Earl's father. We're gonna just do like a nice little luncheon with a few family members, so I'll try to record some of that, and then later on that night we've started something since ever since one of my cousins passed away not too long ago, a couple of months ago. We've been doing what we call a siblings get together, and that is supposed to be tomorrow night as well. Still trying to get the information on that, like what time we're supposed to show up and everything, but I would try to get all that on film. So yeah, I'm really enjoying vlogging again. It's kind of cool because like we were vlogging, of course, with the house and stuff, when we were building the house, but it's kind of nice to be able to vlog memories and stuff like that again. So yeah, so like I said, I'm working from home. Can you guys see that? Working from home right now. I'm gonna go and try to get myself to looking like something because later on I gotta go get the nails done. It's been 3 weeks. The people that have done my nails, like normally my nails usually look, let me see if y'all can see that. My nails normally look like this after like 2 weeks at other salons. This place, like my nails lasted for a good 3 weeks, which is pretty darn cool. So I'm gonna go and get that done right after work. And then once I sit back down, I'm going to also work on my grocery list for tomorrow for the dinner. We're going to do, in commemoration or observation for an observance of like Father's Day / Juneteenth, I'm going to do like a soul food type of a luncheon. So I think Earl's going to do ribs. I may bake some chicken. I'm not sure. I know we're going to have like sweet potatoes, cornbread, black eyed peas. I'm thinking about greens and then maybe some rice. And so that's why I want to kind of do a baked chicken because I can make a gravy to go over the rice. So yeah, I think we're going to do that. I may make the Kool-Aid pie. I know my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law are going to be bringing like a dessert. So I don't want to go overboard with the desserts too much, but it's kind of cool to just like have a variety of stuff. And I'm hoping my stepdad, he's supposed to be coming with my mom, I hope. I'm not sure. Mom's not been in the best of health, guys, so that's why you haven't been seeing her too much on the vlogs and stuff like that. She didn't make it to Jordan's graduation party. So mom has her good days and she has her bad days, and I don't know, you know what, y'all, just pray for her, pray for my mama, pray for us. A lot of you guys have been on this journey with us for a long time. Like some of y'all knew my kids when they were like in junior high and stuff. Like it's crazy, and they're both college graduates. It's the craziest thing. So yeah, we've been vlogging for a pretty good while, and y'all see my mom, my brothers, sister-in-laws, friends, all that kind of stuff. Y'all seen people like that on camera. My dad, my stepmom, and I gotta stop calling her stepmom too. I don't know, like, to me, I don't know. I just feel like that's my bonus mother. So yeah, so y'all have seen all those people and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to continue that. But y'all just pray for my mom, that she has, she gets better with her health and stuff like that and things of that nature. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep going on about that because mama gonna be all right. Y'all know how she is. Y'all, mama's strong. So I will. So y'all just come on along for us this weekend. I just want to do an intro. So I also want to say thanks for all the new subscribers. Like, you guys are blowing my mind. I don't know if y'all are like sharing or something. I'm not sure, but you guys are blowing my mind with all the new subscribers and stuff. So I'm really excited about that. If you're not a subscriber, again, I don't know what y'all waiting for. Go on and hit the subscribe button over here at Darkberry32. We do a little bit of everything. Right now, I'm on this trend of vlogging, but I've done things with cleaning, cooking, DIYs, decorating, fashion, thrifting. I do it all on this channel. You will find it all. As a matter of fact, as far as thrifting, you guys might get a thrifting video on Tuesday, because for one of Earl's Father's Day gifts, we're going to get out of the house, me, Sydney, and then Kayla's probably going to come along on Sunday, and we're probably going to go do some more thrifting, so you probably get another thrifting video. I have some projects in mind that I want to do for the house. Like, one is my closet. My closet needs a bad makeover, because I have the IKEA pieces that I'm supposed to put in that closet, but I have not put them together, so that will be one video. I would like to do a video on how I try to keep the house clean and stuff like that, so you'll probably start getting videos like that. You guys give me some ideas of what else you want to see. I know I got to get the pantry together too. It's like you get in the house, you get it to look in the best as it can, but then there's those nooks and crannies that you got to get in and stuff like that. So yeah, and then there's another video I want to do is kind of like about the electronics that we got going on in the house and how that helps with us. So that may be like one of my next videos that you'll get after the thrifting video. If you don't get the thrifting video on Tuesday, you'll definitely probably get that video on how I keep the house together when it comes to electronics and gadgets, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, so just stay tuned, guys. Hang in there with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that kind of stuff. Do that for me. Smash that subscribe button. Always hit that thumbs up, because that does a lot for my channel. You guys have, I don't know, we've been rocking over here on Dark Beard 32, and I really appreciate it. So do that. And what else was I going to say? Don't forget to give me some ideas of what you guys want to see over here when it comes to the house and things like that. So yeah, because I'm more than willing to have those ideas and show you guys what you want to see. All right, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, y'all, so we are getting ready for another get together. I thought I'd show you guys what I got going on here. So here I got some onion and sausage going, sauteing in some olive oil. And this is going to be basically my base for my green beans. I'm just going to make a little bit of it. I got some sweet potatoes going in here, some black-eyed peas going on over here. Let me turn it up just a little bit. Yeah, let me get that turned up. And then in the oven I have baked chicken going. I'm going to be making some cornbread here soon. Here are part of my yams that I got going. I already cooked them, so I'm just trying to keep them hot and going here in the crock pot to make some room here on the stove. Once I get these up and going and bubbling really good, then I'm going to transfer those to the crock pot. So this is, to me, this is a pretty simple meal. Here I got some smoked turkey necks that I put in my black-eyed peas, and those suckers are good. Also, I like to add chicken stock to my black-eyed peas. Along with, so what I usually do is I'll boil some water and put the turkey necks in there to give it that turkey neck type of smoked flavor. And then to add a little bit more moisture, I'll do chicken broth because it has a lot of flavor. But like I said, here are my green beans are going in here, and I'm using frozen green beans. But my base is always olive oil, sausage. There's Earl. Earl's out there been doing his ribs, right, baby?
Yeah, and all the bones.
Really? Yeah. Okay, I gotta go look. So these are the sausages that we always kind of use, even if we just want a sausage link on a bun. These are really good. It's got a lot of garlic and more of like a Louisiana type feel, but they're not andouille. I know they do a andouille, but this right here, guys, you let that sausage fry up in that olive oil, and it's going to give those green beans some terrific flavor. Along with the green beans, I like to use this. Can you guys see that? Yeah, Uncle Chris's gourmet steak seasoning. Love, love, love that. So yeah, as you can see, my kitchen is a hot mess, but it won't be for long because the girl can't stand no mess. But I feel like we're doing things here, right, baby? Oh, you want to show them? Let's go out and see the ribs. So we're doing more like of a soul food type of meal for Father's Day. And this will be leftovers for tomorrow. But Earl's got some barbecue ribs going. Oh, baby. They're going to lose their mind. Oh my goodness, those look good. So we're having ribs, baked chicken, sweet potatoes, cornbread, black eyed peas, and corn on the cob too. Good Lord, that looks so good. You did your thing. Look at that bone, baby. Look at that bone. I can't. It's hot, isn't it? Is it hot? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need a taste tester. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Y'all. It made no sense. I know I look a hot mess, but I need y'all to see me do this. That meat came right off the bone. Like right off the bone. Oh my. Ooh, child, your girl looking rough. I'm gonna clean up after a while. This how you gotta look when you cooking real good, right, baby? You don't be cute when you're cooking. Oh my God, that is good. I don't even need no sauce. That's good. I don't lie about food. I'll let you know.
Kind of spicy with it.
I like the spice. That's gonna be good. Alongside some cornbread, just green baked child. So we tell you we're finna eat. We're gonna eat today. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. They definitely juicy.
I'm good. Hey Sean, happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. So y'all, we got cornbread muffins, brown rice, corn on the cob.
My favorite green beans.
Yes. I know Mama wanted some of them green beans. Some black eyed peas. We got green beans with onions and sausage and all kinds of dessert. Say hello. Then we got apple pie. We got a strawberry cheesecake in the refrigerator. We got fruit. We got a pound cake. We got Mama showed them about another cake. And look at this beautiful cake. Here, I'll show y'all from the front.
Did you bring my $2?
It's $2. Lord have mercy.
Oh, I don't know nothing about that. I don't know nothing about that.
Then we got yeah, and then we got bottled water too. Y'all brought some bottled water. Chicken. Happy Father's Day, Mike.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. That was one party down. Now we're on to the next. So our Father's Day. I got the camera all in Earl's way. Are you trying to get over? Yeah, I got the camera all in his way. So the Father's Day party went really well. Everybody had a good time. The food, everybody loved the food. Everybody loved those ribs. They were really good. And so now we're on our way to my brother's house. We've been trying to get together at least once a month, even though we just saw them last weekend for Jordan's event. But we do a siblings thing that we get together. Like I said, once a month. So it's their time to host. We hosted one.
Holding back, I got history.
We did like a whole seafood boil and stuff.
But the way you've been crossing the line, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Happy Father's Day. This is where Earl will be for Father's Day. Look at all his gifts. He has been blessed with a lot of stuff. The kids came over. Kayla's still here. We're getting ready to go thrifting and get out of the house so he can have a peaceful, restful day at home by himself and his TV. All right, babe?
Yes,
Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
I love
Love you too. Bye-bye.
You're good.
Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and it is. And this is.
Oh, Kayla.
Y'all gotta forgive us. We have been out all day. We're delirious because we've been shopping. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.